channel. So on today's video, like I promised, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a trading bot on your mobile device. And still on this video, I'm going to be giving out my best trading bot to my Telegram channel. So if you're not joining the Telegram channel, do well to join the Telegram channel, because I'm going to be giving out a free trading bot, and this particular trading bot is tested and trusted, and you can use it to grow your small account, whether it is XAUUSD or indices chart. So let's dive in on today's video, which is how to trade on your mobile phone with trading bot. Guys, to be able to install MT5 trading bot on your mobile phone, you need what we call RDP. RDP is called Remote Desktop Protocol. It is used to play or to install a software that is meant to install on a laptop to mobile device. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy RDP and how to install the RDP on your mobile phone. So let's get started. If you go to your Chrome, this is my Chrome, and if I go to search for RDP, which is Remote Desktop Protocol, you're going to be seeing a lot of servers or websites that sells RDP. So I like to buy from this first website, which is iHosting. They are the best RDP provider, and it sells as cheap as $1 to $2 to even $5, depending on the hosting service you want, maybe the storage. So based on this particular video, we're going to be using the cheapest RDP, which is for $2. So guys, if you come here, you're going to be registering and be getting the RDP. As you can see, I already have the RDP, so I'm not going to get you to the process of buying the RDP. So what I'm going to do, best RDP seller online, and you can buy or purchase RDP as low as $1 from their website, and it stays over a month before it expires. So here I already have my RDP. So what I'm going to do here is to go to my Play Store. Once you go to your Play Store, you're going to be searching for Windows app. Just search for Windows mobile app or Windows app. You're going to be seeing this first one that says Windows app. This is built by Microsoft, and you're going to install that, because that is where we're going to be logging in our RDP in order to be able to install a software app on our mobile device. Okay, so how it works is, once you come to this page, you're going to be showing you the RDP, which is your remote desktop protocol here. And if you already have an account, just click on this plus button right here, and you're going to be adding your own RDP, maybe the RDP name, and here you're going to be using this one that says add an account. Here you're going to be having the username and password, and you click save. So once you are done doing that, like you can see right here, I already saved mine right here. So what I'm going to do is to tap on it and wait for a second. You're going to be asking me for password. So let me go to where I saved the password, and I'm going to click continue. See here, I just logged in to my RDP. I can see right here, this is my MT5. This is like me using a Windows on my phone. So what I'm going to do here is to get the trading bot and log in here. So first of all, I'm going to be logging in my account here. As you can see here, my account is already logged in. This is a demo account. So as you can see here, this is the trading bot, and I've downloaded it on my phone, and here I can be able to access it on the remote desktop computer. So what I'm going to do is to double click on that, and once you double click on it, it's going to be opening on your trading view. So here I'm going to click yes. So here I'm going to be opening another one, which is Euro USD. Just hold it and click new window chart. So here, to add the trading bot right here, just go to where you save the trading bot, which is this, and drag it to the chart. Very easy. And here you're going to select allow, and here you're going to click OK. So here, the last thing we're going to do here is select this and go trading, turn it on, As you can see here, it's working. So now we will be able to install a trading bot on a mobile device. It's very stressful, but if you have the time and if you are skillful and if you are a techie person, this won't be hard for you to do. So thank you for watching, and I'm going to be pasting this Gold Hunter V8. Is one of the best trading bots we have developed so far this year, and I'm going to be giving it out for you for free on the Telegram channel. And don't forget to subscribe and join our Telegram in order to get updates once we post videos like this. So thank you for watching.